So one comment that I'm seeing from a lot of people in regards to this upcoming SNAP benefits disruption in November due to the federal shutdown is, well, this won't be a big deal because all of the food pantries and local agencies and local governments can step up and make up the difference. And that's really not going to be the case. And that's because I think people are not really appreciating the scale of this. Food pantries, local agencies, local governments can certainly help, and that's what we're going to be doing at Portage Township, but the sheer scale of this is probably being underestimated by people. So here's the math. So in St. Joseph County alone, there's 30,000 individuals who rely on SNAP benefits to put food on the table. The average monthly benefit is $200 per person. That means that SNAP is bringing in roughly $6 million in food assistance to our community every single month. That's $1.5 million per week in food purchasing power, right? That's a lot of money. So even the largest food pantries in our area operate on budgets that are just a fraction of that size. In fact, even Portage Township, aside from our fire department budget, $1.5 million is about our annual budget. And so $6 million 1 month, that's 4 times our entire annual budget. These food pantries, local nonprofits, they really rely on donations, volunteers, and have limited infrastructure. So in order to replace $6 million in food assistance, we would need a massive and immediate increase in food donations, funding, and distribution capacity. And that's probably not going to be realistic. So we have amazing food pantries, amazing local nonprofits. They do great work. They're vital to our community. They're just never going to be able to completely replace federal nutrition programs because they're simply not designed to do that. They're a safety net, not a substitute. So when we talk about SNAP, the disruption of SNAP being a policy issue, it's also a community-wide crisis. Families are going to lose access to food. Local economies are going to lose spending, going to lose money, and support systems are just going to be completely overwhelmed. So it's really critical to understand the scale of this issue so that we can push for federal action. We need to protect SNAP, not just for individuals who rely on it, but for the health and stability of an entire community.